I'm Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today we're going to talk about this bag from Darn Good Yarn. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to my channel and you like all things crochet, yarn, and good stuff like that, then go ahead and go down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell so that you're reminded every time I come out with a new video. Okay, so I do want to let you know I received this this bag. I did get this bag for free to review from Darn Good Yarn. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this bag, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to insert some pictures showing you where I hang it up in my house and stuff like that, so you get a good idea of what the bag looks like. Alright, so this is a, just to talk to you a little bit about this bag here. This is a Sari silk tote bag, and it gets a this humble bag gets a darn good yarn twist. This is our tote bags are made from vintage silk saris, making each one absolutely unique and one of a kind. This bag will make the perfect knitting bag, or can even be used as a diaper bag, craft tote, or carry-on, which I agree, it is a great size, it hangs well on the body. So yes, I absolutely agree with that, with what they're saying. It would be excellent for that. So I have been using this bag. I got it at the beginning of the month, so I'm going on almost a month now that I've been actively using this bag. One thing that I do want to note, when I did receive this bag, there is a very strong scent that was associated with this bag, and sometimes I get it in other Darn Good Yarn things, especially I've got a couple of yarn bowls from them, and I even and one of them had like an extra yarn thrown in it, and I smelled the scent in the yarn. It's not stinky, it's just strong, so it smells really, really nice. It's just a really strong scent, so those of you with sensitive sense of smell, just to keep that in mind. Whenever you get it, you may want to cut it open and then kind of air it out, especially if you're sensitive to scents. But like I said, it's not a bad scent, it's just a strong scent. And in fact, when I was looking at some of the paperwork here, I was coughing because the scent is still inside the envelope. Okay, so this is a beautiful bag. I love the colors, the pink and purple with the Darn Good Yarn logo on it. So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. It is a very nice size. I was able to fit in to this bag a project bag, which, you know, my project bags are like the 2-gallon Ziploc bags. I was able to fit that in there, a book, my iPad, my hook set. So, and I'll even just show you what's in here right now. I did have this in here. Let me just put this all in here so you can kind of see it. I took it out only because it does get lumpy. It doesn't hold its shape once you start stuffing it. So it does get lumpy, which is not a big deal. This is the bag stuffed with stuff, and I can actually even fit some more stuff in here, but this is a good idea of, I'm going to show you what I've stuffed in here. So okay, so this is the bag with the stuff in it, and the straps are really strong. They look thin, but they're put on really, really well. I haven't had any problems with the straps. So I've put in here, this is a Tunisian hook set, so that is in the bag. And then also inside the bag I have one of the monthly crochet kits from Mary Maxim. So this is representative of a good size project bag, right, that you put inside of this. So, or you can just put the project straight in the bag. I would recommend putting it inside a bag because this top is not sealable. And then in the front pocket I have a crochet hook set. This is the tulip set. Oops, I almost have one falling out. So this is the tulip set that I have in here. And you know, all these things, all of the stuff that's inside, if you're interested in, I will have it linked down below. This is the Tunisian hook set here. Like I said, I will link this down below if it's something that you like. This is for me to learn how to do Tunisian. This is the Tunisian hook set. And also in here I have this. I put this. This is something that I bought on my local yarn shop day, but this is just a little tin, and inside the tin are scissors, which this is blurry right now, but scissors, stitch markers, and a needle, a yarn needle. So, and then that was in there as well. So now, oh, I have one more thing in here. I don't even remember what I put in there. Oh, one of the hooks that fell out of my Tunisian hook set. So I just need to put that back in there. All right, so then you're left with this bag. Okay, so like I do the ginger thing, right? This is what it looks like. What else does she do? She puts it on her head, right? So this is how big it is. This is how big it is. It doesn't go over my glasses too well. Oh, look, I can see through it. See? So that's how big it is. It holds plenty of stuff for a single project if you are, you know, going to the beach. So this bag is a great size for a single project. And yeah, so, and you have plenty of room for your hooks. You have plenty of room for any stitch markers or anything else that you may need, or your needles if you're knitting. So you've got plenty of room with that for that. But I would suggest putting it inside like a bigger baggie or something like that, because it does not close. Now inside the bag, it is just, this is just one big pocket in this part. That is just one big pocket. There's no interior pocket in here. So what you'll end up using is this exterior pocket. The exterior pocket. And like I said, this is very strong. I think it's excellent material. Now the one drawback, and this is because it's silk, I think, I have, because I have been using it a lot, I noticed that spots where it has gotten wet, I have gotten marks on it. Okay, so that is a drawback that I saw on the bag. But other than that, I've really enjoyed using this bag. This has become my go-to bag for taking projects. I go visit my mom every Sunday. We have family dinner there, and this is what I use to take my project in. Even if I wanted to take my laptop and work on video editing, it'll fit in here and it'll be just fine. It fits with a sleeve inside of this bag. So this is just a great grab and go bag for any project that you may have. Now, Mother's Day is coming up, and do you have a crafty mom? I think this would be an excellent bag for you to pick up for your mom for Mother's Day. I know I would love a bag like this. Go and check out the link, and if you really love this bag, and it's like I said, it is reused silk, then get one for your mom for Mother's Day. And just to let you know a little bit about Darn Good Yarn, I do want to tell you a little bit about Darn Good Yarn and the company, because you've seen I've gotten a lot of Darn Good Yarn stuff. I push a lot of Darn Good Yarn, and part of it's because I believe strongly in their values as a company. So Darn Good Yarn is an online yarn store that is dedicated to supporting women's economic empowerment. And that's globally, on a global level. Fair trade practices and principles of environmental sustainability. They offer dozens of reclaimed and sustainable fibers, cloths, and yarn, allowing those who love to knit and crochet and other crafters access to these rare and special items. And yes, they have some beautiful yarn, and I know if I'll link it up here, but the playlist up here, but I have reviewed their yarn box, and I really enjoy their yarn box. Now it's a little bit more expensive than some people want to pay, but I just understand that you're always getting a very high-end yarn, always. Each time you're getting a high-end yarn and something really cool to go with it. With that in mind, tell me what you think of the bag. Purchase and use, or would you get it for your mom or some other crafter? Let me know what you think. I would love to hear your opinion. Have you gotten the bag? What do you think of the bag that you got? Let me know down below. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.